Hi, I'm Rahul. For this hackathon, I built an interactive documentary generator powered by Gemini Live. Now, I'm a visual learner. Growing up, I learned a lot from watching documentaries. Instead of reading about history or reading about the universe, I loved watching things unfold on screen. Galaxies forming, stars exploding, ancient civilizations. Just seeing them happen made it easier for me to remember and understand new things. Now, even today, as someone curious about how things work, the visual storytelling is still the most powerful way for me to learn new things. Now, YouTube is great for learning visually, but it only works if someone has already made that video you're looking for. What if you're looking for something more specific, something that caters to your curiosity, like what was Barack Obama like as a college student, or how the Milky Way was formed? And that's the idea behind Chronos Cinema. You pick a topic, any topic, and it generates a short, immersive documentary for you in real time. At the end, you get a 5-question quiz to reinforce what you just learned. Let me show you how it works. Now, what we have here is a Next.js-based front-end web app. Let me fire that up first. And a Python backend, which is essentially a delegate between our front-end web app and the Vertex API calls. So let's start that. And here's our web app. Now here on the left, you see a history of all the documentaries that I have generated before. We'll get back to that in a bit, but for now, let's go ahead and create a new one. Let's go with the Milky Way. I'll enter my name, introduce. Now, while we wait for our documentary, let's see what happens in the background. Here, our backend makes all these API calls to Vertex Gemini 2.5 Flash to generate the 4-beat script. Each script has a hook, a foundation, a mechanism, and a reflection. Gemini 2.5 Flash image generates appropriate visuals for each scene, and Lyria generates a custom background score. Now, once all the assets are in place, Gemini Live streams the narration audio beat by beat. And finally, once the documentary is done, Gemini 2.5 Flash fires up again to generate the 5-question quiz.
Look up at the night sky, and you see countless stars. But what if I told you our entire solar system is just one speck within an island of over 100 billion suns? This colossal structure, our cosmic home, is the Milky Way. Imagine a vast, sprawling city with millions of districts, each a star system. Our solar system is just one quiet neighborhood. This spiral-armed metropolis, the Milky Way, is not static. It's a dynamic, rotating disk, a cosmic island drifting through the dark ocean of space. At its heart lies Sagittarius A star, a supermassive black hole with the mass of 4 million suns, a gravitational anchor. Every star, every nebula, every speck of dust in the Milky Way orbits this colossal center, locked in a perpetual gravitational dance, keeping our galaxy whole. We are but a fleeting moment on a tiny planet, orbiting a single star, within one arm of this immense galactic spiral. Does our existence diminish in this grandeur, or does it become infinitely more precious? What other wonders lie hidden in the arms of our cosmic home, waiting to be discovered? Rahul, the Milky Way is a constant presence above us, a reminder of our place in the grand scheme of things. Let that wonder inspire you. Now, test your knowledge with the questions on your screen.
So now each documentary concludes with a quiz. Now let's go. And when I answer a question correctly, it also gives me some context on it. It's based on what the narration happened during the documentary. If I answer it incorrectly, it also highlights what is the right answer, and again giving me the description of why it's the right answer. There you go, I have my final score. Now, I can also go back and replay a documentary that I previously created. So let's go, I'm gonna play this Barack Obama documentary.
In a nation grappling with its past, could a young mixed-race senator from Illinois truly capture the White House? Barack Obama's journey wasn't just a political...
And that's about it. That's Chronos Cinema. Thanks for watching.